Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Anju, consultant and assistant professor, Hida Ayurvedic College Hospital and Research Center, Nagasandra, Bangalore. Eczema is a chronic skin condition characterized by dryness, redness, fluid discharge, and intense itching, commonly caused by sensitive skin, immune imbalance, and exposure to allergens. If left untreated, it may lead to recurrent infections, thickened skin, disturbed sleep, and long term discomfort. Ayurveda offers effective root cause based management through internal medicines, external herbal applications, panchakarma therapies, along with diet and lifestyle guidance. For consultation, treatment, lifestyle, and diet advices, we are conducting an Ayurvedic medical camp at Heda Ayurvedic College Hospital on coming Saturday from 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. For further details, please contact the given phone number. Thank you.